So, hi. So we arrive in Garden City, uh, which Mark has flown here with his Envoy regional jets. So, refueling here, but we're gonna stay overnight. The weather is closing in. There's coming a storm from that direction, but we made it in before the storm hit in. So we're waiting for Tony, our friend, to land too. So Garden City is famous for meat packaging, and so probably gonna get a good steak tonight. So Mark is talking to the people that actually probably fuel his big jet airline. Not that big, but when he was working for that, that's the terminal right there. So, oh, this is the company that fuels and service the airport, and that's the Garden City water tower, I guess.